So what exactly is string theory? String theory is a theoretical framework designed to address the fundamental questions of why and how our universe exists in its current state. According to string theory, the fabric of the universe is composed of tiny vibrating strings, even smaller than the most minute subatomic particles like atoms and molecules. These strings can vibrate in different ways, like the strings on a guitar making different sounds. The theory is that the way these strings vibrate determines what kind of particle or thing they become. For example, a string vibrating in one way might create a particle that acts like an electron, which is a fundamental building block of matter. Or more simplified, you and me and everything we see around us. Another type of vibration could produce a particle that carries the force of gravity, like a graviton. Each vibration pattern corresponds to a different particle or force in nature. These strings, vibrations, and interactions give rise to the properties and behavior of particles like electrons, quarks, and photons, which in turn form atoms and molecules. So, at the most fundamental level proposed by string theory, the energy and structure that make up everything, including us, are powered by these minuscule strings.